Hello tech viewers, welcome to EPIT Research Labs Private Limited. Today we came with a new project. This is about motion detected load control. So using this motion sensor circuit, we can control the loads that are like automatic lighting and automatic switching the loads by detecting the motion. So this will save the power in the house. So this is a crazy project. So we will see how it works now. So I'm going to power on the device. So when I powered on, we can see the IR detection LED is blinking. Okay, so here we are using a 9 watt AC bulb for triggering, and this is for DC power supply for the total circuitry. And here we can see IR's detector and emitter. So now I'm going to place an object so that it will detect a motion and it will trigger the bulb. So when I move my hand here, it is detected motion and it is triggered a AC bulb. So now I will give motion again. So it will detect that I am out of the room and it will turn off the bulb. So this is about all the project, and now we will see the circuitry elements here. So here we are using a CD4017 IC and also a LM358 IC for storing the data of motion, and these are the LEDs. This white color LED is about like a emitter, and the black one is infrared detector, and this LED for motion detection instance, and this LED yellow color LED is for show the status of the motion, so whether it is on or not. So this is a 230 volts AC relay for triggering the AC bulb here. So we can directly implement this total circuitry in our real-time home applications so that we can control loads whenever the motion detected. So this is about all the product. So this product saves the power consumption and electricity bill. So thank you.